You take a look at ERFB requested for us to take a look at right now at 0045 on light volume right now with a whopping 100 shares being traded so far today. But it does pick up. Look at this, 4 million shares over on 426. So it does it definitely has its days. 260,000 shares traded on April 11th, and then the next day, the 12th, at 3 million. Kind of gives you an idea. Likes to jump around a little bit here. Definitely going to want to watch for a break at 0046 and 52 to start turning you guys bullish. You guys break that 5.6, you see what happens over here. You guys had a nice pop coming off of that 004 area. Really nice ride up to the 008 and pulling back down. Fell through all of the support levels back in here on the 21st and 24th. We pull down to the support again at 0040 and then bounce back up to that 4.5. You know, you're going to have a little bit of a resistance level right now at that 4.5, but then followed up by 5.2 and 5.6. You guys break that 5.6, you could rally from there. With that being said, 4.0 will definitely need to be hold in volume to be a little bit more steady. So hopefully that gives you an idea which way this one can go. But again, I mean, yeah, you might bounce up to that 4.5 and pull back down, but you're going to have to hold 4.0 mark, which is going to be that support level that we can see going back in here. Otherwise, you guys could go down to about, I mean, the triple zeros aren't far off of that. You guys went from triple zeros all the way up to that big run here back in December.
All right, so with this one right here, I'm seeing a stop sign with pink no information. So I went to the filings, the latest filing on it. They've been filed since, I'd say, about 2015. But they had news recently. It was on March 20th, 2017. It was ERF Wireless announces major markets and job expansion. So ERF Wireless Incorporated and Accordant Communications LLC on March 20th announced that ERF Wireless is expanding it and has now established local subsidiary offices in Addison, Texas, to further support the Texas market and its partner base after its recent acquisition of all the equity interests of Accordant, a leading broadband network development and utility construction company. Accordant currently has a number of network deployments in Texas. Accordant expects to add up to 50 new jobs in the Texas market over the next 24 months and another 100 jobs in the Florida market, strengthening ERF's ability to execute on its plans of becoming a leading mission-critical infrastructure provider to both the communications and power industries. A local presence within these markets will not only allow the company to support current installations, but also provide a local sales and support base for future expansions within these markets through the recruitment of new partners. So Dan Himes, Accordant's president, stated, "The telecom world is evolving rapidly, and the networks we will use to communicate in a few years will bear little resemblance to the ones we use today. The new 5G wireless platform will need a tremendous amount of small cells to be deployed, and this will require a large amount of fiber optic cable and latest generation microwave to support them. The Accordant executive team has extensive experience with all this technology. Texas is an obvious market for Accordant to enter given its appetite for technology growth and innovation. Texas is a logical step, and has already presented ERF with numerous untapped opportunities for our products, services, and complete solutions. Accordant provides wireless carriers with the infrastructure they need to keep people connected and businesses running. Accordant is currently supporting and providing services in Houston, Texas, to several of the nation's largest providers of small cells in the U.S. The addition of Accordant complementary footprint in the top metro markets in South Florida and Texas bolsters ERF's fiber provider service while enhancing its position in small cells and ERF's overall long-term growth. So it says ERF Wireless was founded in 2004 as a critical communications infrastructure company applying advanced wireless broadband technology and other communication technology to a select suite of enterprise, commercial, and retail critical communication needs. ERF has historically offered high-speed wireless broadband products and services to specialized critical communication needs such as banking, healthcare, education, and oil and gas. All right, so that's pretty much it. This is the latest press release from these guys. So Obviously, they have some kind of a relation with this Accordant. So they did some kind of, let's see, bought them out or whatever. So whatever the relationship is, obviously, it require more due diligence. So if you want to look more into it, see what's going on with the company, maybe they'll start, filing and everything else and get this stop sign removed. So I guess it comes down to due diligence, anything else. So you just go right over that ERFP board or FB board. And from there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that ERF Wireless Incorporated board.
There you go. And 0045, watch resistance at 455256 and support at 004 is a must hold, in my opinion. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. We'd appreciate it. And hit that like button if this video helped you too. We'd appreciate that as well. Get out there and share this video. Like I said, that is how you support us. And again, that's how we continue to cover these stocks all the time, is the more you share it. If you would like to check us out live, you can do so. InvestorsHangout.com/live.